My name is Brian, and I'm a brain.
Brian the amazing brain loves to learn, and he really likes to drink milk.
Where does the milk I drink come from?
Brian asked. Brian asked a sheep.
Do you make the milk I drink?
No, I make milk for my lamb, but the sheep. Brian asked a cow.
Do you make the milk I drink?
Yes, I do make the milk you drink, mooed the cow.
Oh yeah.
The farmer uses a milking machine to milk the cows. Brian went to a farm to find out where the milk he likes to drink comes from. Do you know?